Hello and welcome to this video tutorial during which you can follow step by step how to register your organization and receive a participant identification code, a PIC, as well as how to fill in and submit an Erasmus Plus application form. The first step is to create an account in the participant portal. You have to select Register and make sure that you are listed as external. Start by choosing a username, followed by your first and last name, email address, and the language. Then enter the code and acknowledge that you have read and understood the privacy statement and select Create an account. Once that you create an account, you will receive an email allowing you to complete the registration process. You will be required to create a new password for your account. To register for a PIC, log into your account with the details that you've just registered with and accept the terms and conditions. You will now be directed to the participant portal. Select the tab Organizations and Register. Since you have just started the registration process, you should select Register Organization, and you will be redirected to the Beneficiaries Wizard registration. Fill in all the required information. If the organization doesn't have a VAT number, just tick the box VAT number not applicable. Once you click Next, the tool will search for any similar organizations automatically, since there can only be one PIC for an organization. If you don't see your organization listed, scroll down and tick this box. In this screen, you now have to insert the details of your organization, such as whether it's a public body, NGO, private entity, or a natural person. Next to each field, there is an information button that describes what is requested to be inputted from your end. Make sure that you insert the data as is indicated in italics format. Once that you fill in this information, you will find a summary of the details that you've inserted in the previous sections. You can edit any incorrect details, but if everything is correct, you can proceed and submit the application. As soon as you submit the details, you will be led to another screen depicting your PIC, and you will see the 9 unique digits that represent your organization. As indicated in the screen, you will then receive an email confirming your registration and providing you with further important information. This email provides you with a link from where you can download the legal entity form and the financial identification forms that must be uploaded on the same portal. Uploading these documents would be the final step. To download, first select your language for financial identification, then scroll back up, choose Legal Entities, and download the documents in the preferred language. These can also be downloaded from our website. In the legal entity form, you need to insert information about the legal form of the entity, while in the financial identification form, you have to insert bank-related information indicating the bank account where funds will be transferred to if the application form is approved for funding. These should be uploaded to the same portal where you registered for the PIC, in the Documents tab that can be found on the left-hand side of the screen. The legal entity form should be uploaded as a FEL form, either natural, public, or private entity. The financial identification form should be uploaded as Financial ID form, bank account. It is important to keep login information handy since this PIC will be used until 2020, and any changes in the entity should be updated on this portal. Information provided in this portal should be the same as the information that you provide in the application form. Whoever applies for a PIC needs to be aware that he will be the only one responsible for it, and in case he leaves the organization, he will need to provide an appropriate handover with the necessary information.